Hey everybody, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. If you're not one of my beautiful subscribers, please do hit the red subscribe button and also the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. I'm Erika Cole and this is Erika Cole's Soul Kitchen. The water was boiling already. So I got a whole 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni noodles. So I'm gonna let that cook while I finish cutting the cheeses up. So I got another block of cheese. I'm using hell of a good sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. And I already got one. This is a lot for just one 8-ounce. This is a lot, but this is basically, we just want one for just the, you know, so we can make the sauce. All right, so I'm gonna start this over because I don't want to confuse this with the measurements. Like I know this is 8-ounce. So I'm going to just go ahead and do this next block. This is another 8-ounce sharp cheddar cheese. Just going to shred this up really fast. And if you don't like all this cheese, you don't have to have all the cheese. I'm gonna leave that one because that one too. So this is half and half. This will like it produce more cheese on the side.
Yeah, it does.
But it's not. It's the same. All right. So this is our sharp. So I'm gonna set this to the side. Then we got some Italian cheeses. I'm gonna put in. Slide this without it getting off. Okay, put that there.
That sounds good.
Then we're gonna start, I got a block of, this is New York white cheddar.
Okay.
Our noodles been in there for what, like maybe 4 minutes? And
you
wanna make sure your noodles, you wanna make sure that they are al dente. You don't want to overcook them because they're going to cook in the oven too. Alright, so this little piece of, I'm going to leave this because I don't want my nails going. So,
I thought you were going to eat it.
I'm not going to eat that.
You start looking at your lips.
This is looking good. So I cut up all the cheeses. So I'm going to set these to the side because we're going to make our cheese sauce now. That's salted butter. You use salted butter, but you know, you just make sure you taste it, that you're not making something salty. All right, so just melted a half a stick of butter down. Now, since that's nice and bubbly, I'm going to add in a half a cup of flour too. Slowly add it in, so that's what I'm putting is. Smells like something is burning up in here. So you just want to mix that in with your butter. And I got this in the wrong hand, so it's like really awkward. This is going to make your cheese sauce thick. So I'm adding in some regular 2% milk. That's it. I'm using a cup to start off with, and I'm just gonna gradually add more depending on the texture I like. I don't like it I like it thin because when you put them cheeses in there, it's gonna start thickening up, and I don't like that really thick texture like that. So I'm just gonna add regular 2% milk slowly according to the texture that I'm looking for. I ended up getting a whisk because it was like really thick and it was just clunking up on that spoon. So I just got a whisk and it ended up going great, smoothing out. Alright, so this cheese sauce is the texture I would like, but I haven't added the cheese in yet, so I'm going to add some cheese in, and then I may need more milk as I go along. So I'm going to go ahead and add some sharp cheddar cheese in. gonna add some more milk in here. Thin it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna taste it and see what. That's pretty good. I'm gonna add some more cheese to give it more of a cheese flavor. And I don't want to use all of it, so this will be the last bit. So I'll probably use about 8.5 maybe ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cups of evaporated milk, and 2 cups of 2% milk. So I'm gonna whisk this down, and I already drained my noodles. So I'm just going to add, I got 2, I think it's tablespoons of butter. Last time I made my video, I forgot to add the egg until afterwards. And so I'm gonna make sure I add it now. And this is the pan that, you know, that we cook the noodles in, so don't be looking like I'm dirty. It's just the same pot. So here's the cheese sauce. I'm going to dump that up in there. Mix this up. And see how it's thick. This is what I was trying to prevent, and I let it sit a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and just let it just be. What size pan is this? I'll find out. I got these from Amazon, and so I will leave the measurements below in the description box, and also I will leave a link to where I got them from. I mean, we'll leave a link to where where you can purchase them. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to first, I sprayed a little bit of olive oil in the pan, so I'm going to take some of this mixture and just pour one into the bottom of here. One layer, and then what we're going to do is just go ahead and take some cheddar cheese I have here. Gonna just put that all in there. That's the thing, when you do real cheese, it's like a lot thicker in some areas, like it clumps together. So I'm gonna take some mild cheese. And some of my, I don't want to take my sharp because I want to use that for the top. I'm just gonna take some of the mixture of cheese, whatever cheese you got. Okay, we're gonna mix that all together. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take my spoon, poke some of this through. We're not mixing, we're just gonna poke some through. Take some more. Just like the rest of it. Just gonna smear that across here. I'm gonna take some cheese. I'm gonna take some of this mild cheddar, white cheddar, sprinkle it all across the top. My Italian cheese. Taking all the cheeses I had left except for the sharp, because I want to use the sharp to coat the top.
It's coming together.
It's looking really good too. All right, so I'm just going to take this and poke again through. We're not mixing it through, we're just poking this through, and it gets this just so thick, so it gets stuck on the spoon. But just swipe it off with your finger, keep it moving, keep going, just get it, make sure you get all the spots covered. You don't want some people getting cheese, make sure everybody gets cheese. Alright, so that's that. So now, since I poked that through, I'm just gonna take my sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just gonna cover the top. We used all that cheese.
It's a lot of cheese though.
It was, but you want a good macaroni and cheese. You don't want no bland cheap macaroni and cheese. You want to give somebody something to talk about when you bring it to the cookout. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Who brought the macaroni and cheese? Alright, so that's that. So I'm going to just spray the top. That's some olive oil. Well, that's olive oil. Yeah, spray. And then I'm going to sprinkle more pepper on the top. Just a little bit. Sprinkle. Alright, so I have a preheated oven. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, so that's already ready. And then we're going to put this in the oven for uncovered for about 20-25 minutes. Alright, so the macaroni and cheese just came out the oven. It's been in there for 25 minutes on 400 degrees. You can see the top looks very brown, looks good, looks delicious. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll cut into it and see how it looks. So we're just gonna dig in to see how the texture looks in the inside. Ooh, it's creamy.
Oh yeah, it's creamy. That looks good.
Cheese, stringy cheese.
That looks good.
I'm gonna get a fork and just see how
good it is, because that's good.
See how it tastes. It's piping hot. I'm not trying to burn my mouth on this macaroni.
It is.
I can't even pick it up.
It's so cheesy.
It is. You gotta spin the fork around.
That's good.
It's real good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe before you leave, and I guess I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.